want to try to put this back together?
Yeah.
Let's try to put it back together. Where should we start?
Here.
Here, okay. Thank you. I'm gonna put the wheels. Put wheels. That's the easy one. What else is easy? Okay, the corner piece. Okay. What about the doggy? Oh, the doggy. Woof, woof.
Little shoe.
Okay. That's perfect. That looks right. How about a person? Right here.
So we can see.
What about engine one? Engine one. Number one. Where do I go? Okay.
I'm going to leave it.
Alright. Okay, there's a few more pieces.
Yeah.
I'm gonna find another easy one. Maybe this one? So, yeah, put it in. There you go.
Boom.
Boom.
Let's take him.
Alright. I found this piece. Right here.
Let's make it right.
Is that an axe? Okay. Let's put this right here.
Can we use this?
Is that a handle?
What the handle?
Wheel on the bus. On the fire truck. Two more. One. And the fire. One more time. And the fire hydrant. Yay! Complete. Ding ding.
How many people got off the bus?
One.
That's right.